Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, but today is all about disassembly and find out how it looks, this cordless impact driver from Parkside, the performance line and the brushless motor. Definitely I need to look how it is the brushless motor inside of this housing. Well, to do that it is very easy. We need to remove 4 Allen screws, and we've got another 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws to remove. So many screws. Well, let's move on. Can't hold myself to see how it looks inside. Do you have this curiosity, guys? Well, you're gonna find out with me. Okay, so many screws. Well, there we are. Now we don't need to remove the belt holder. Okay, and this is only plastic, nothing more. And now we can see we've got the work LED light. We have the switch here for the Newton meter. Can remove all that. The plastic for the LED working light. And we've got the connections. We can see, I think you can see it's fix all that. The board, it is inside. You can see the connections, and from here, and we've got around at all area plastic. Well, very well manufactured. You can only remove these 2 connections, but no more. We can see the capacitor. Okay. There we've got the trigger connected at this board, left and right, goes with this switch. Let's remove this plastic, and there's the gear inside. All that is a metal around. There's a plastic. Let's see if we can remove that. Oh. Okay, there we are. And you can see how it's moving. Nice. I like it. I will not going to disassemble the gear inside. I was just wondering how it looks, and now I know. And now let's go at the brushless motor, and you can see the magnets. Okay, wow, there is a brushless motor. And guys, you can see how small it is. Wow, and this small area with the magnets, it gives so much power. Wow, that's why we need to choose brushless motor. Motor with carbs, non-brushless motor. Brushed motors are not so good in many areas. Brushless motor are more efficient, working longer and better, and they've got a lower power consumption. Your battery will last longer. Let me show you that. Wow, I like it. Spins around. There will get like, it is like a fan. And we need to just insert the magnet inside. Oh, it's so powerful. And it will do all the job as it's working, taking the power from the battery, from this board, transfer to the windings around, and start working. No friction, only magnets, no carbs. Well guys, I think that was all about. I don't have anything else to show you. Now you know how it looks. A cordless impact driver from Parkside on a performance line, brushless motor. Now you are smarter, and I hope you enjoy this video, disassembly this product. Of course, I will assemble it again back and find out if it's working. Find out if I'm not destroyed this unit. But let's move on. You can see here we've got a round rubber. And it goes at this position. Locks inside that. Perfect. Okay, now let's find the battery. Before screwing everything back, let's try it. Hold it very well. Okay. Yep, it's working perfect. Perfect, let's try another one. Well guys, that was all about disassembly this impact driver from Performance Line Parkside. Now you are smarter and you know which part it is inside of this unit. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who will need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.